The screw holding the key together is on the reverse side near the middle. It's a P8000 head, Phillips head. There's a little notch that you can put your fingernail in or a screwdriver, and then turn the back and upwards and pull it downward. There's a little lip here that goes underneath. This is the new key shell. It doesn't really have a notch to open it up with, so you'll have to somehow pry in between these two shell halves and then pull the back away again. It's got the same sort of lip that connects it, sliding under the other side. The metal portion of the key is held in place by a plastic holder. You need to get that out of there and separate the metal part from the plastic part. We'll try it with a flat-bladed screwdriver. There's the metal portion. Now, the key fob shell kit comes with a plastic piece that goes over this. You can see I kind of bent up the key to get the metal piece out. This is the new key holder. You simply slide the key into this slot. Till the hole in the key matches up with the hole in the holder. Make sure the key hole clears the entire plastic piece. You can see one side has a large hole, the other side has a smaller hole. If it doesn't quite fit, you can take the key out, put it in the other way, see if it fits better. I guess the other way looked like it fit better. It looks like on my key there's a V or a little caret that seems to go in to the holder this way. That bigger hole in the key holder is for this boss here that sticks up. On this side, there's no boss. The screw that comes with the new kit is longer than the original screw, so keep them straight. The transponder is underneath this cover here, held inside this shape here. The cover is held in place. There's a little hole through here that you can see. And there are little tabs on the top that you have to push in to remove the cover. And then the transponder is below that. You can see the little tab that sticks out there. The question is how to get it back in under that lip. It looks like we might have better luck coming from the top and bending that plastic out a little bit. can see it lifting up. Now the transponder is down in there. Here's that plastic piece that was the cover. The transponder is down at the bottom of this container here. And it looks like there's a little gap at the end that you can get a small screwdriver in and try to pry it up. The transponder is inside this container here. And on either end, there's a little gap that you can use to pry up the transponder with a flat blade screwdriver. I took it out once before, but I deleted the video, so I want to show you how I did it. I actually used this side the first time, but it's coming up easier on this side. There's the transponder. It's pretty small. I'm going to try with the back of the key to push this down in place and then pull it into place. You can see there's a little ledge that needs to go on. Then there's a little lip you have to push in and then snap into place. Now we have to do it with all the inside. Once you have your bevel key in place, take your other half, insert the door unlocker, put your transponder in place, then make sure the lip on the back of the key fob slips into place first, then snap into place. Now you can hear the transponder rattling around there. You could put some electrical tape around it, something like that to make it stop rattling. Or you can put in the screw and be done with it. Remember to get the longer screw or whatever came with your kit. Rolling over a little bit with this THOO. This is the one that came with the kit. Seems to work a little better. This is my PH000 versus the screwdriver that came with the kit. It's a little different. I'm just going to put a little electrical tape around it to see if I can quiet it down a little bit instead of it rattling around. No more rattling. Still works. You're all done.